The parliamentary opposition is calling for changes to the Major Organized Crime and Anti-Corruption Agency MOCA Act to ensure the agency is free from political interference. The lower house this week started to debate the law which will establish MOCA as an independent body. TVJ's Andrea Chisholm reports.
The Major Organized Crime and Anti-Corruption Agency MOCA has been on a mission to live up to its name, fighting organized crime. Things like lottery scamming, helping to secure 132 convictions between August 2014 and December 2016. Opposition Member of Parliament Peter Bunting also painted a visual. Young people getting expensive guns and ammunition subject to control.
By the funders and the kingpins. Some of them are not even in Jamaica because they find it convenient to be overseas and to send directions and to send money. This is why we need a MOCA to be able to reach out and find these criminal kingpins and their facilitators.
So the MOCA Act now before the lower house will make the agency independent, giving it more resources.
To identify the bosses of organized crime, their facilitators, seize their assets and secure harsh and long convictions.
Now, Sections 12 to 21 of the bill make provisions for the appointment of a Director General to oversee the day-to-day operations of MOCA. That person would be recommended by the National Security Minister, approved by the Prime Minister after he consults with the opposition, and appointed by the Governor General. The Director General cannot be a parliamentarian or councillor, cannot be bankrupt, and should not be convicted of any offence involving dishonesty. Peter Bunting wanted to take it a step further.
We think it is appropriate for persons, for example, who have been, in the last 7 years, active on the political hustings, that these persons should not have oversight or be principals in any law enforcement agency.
Mr. Bunting also wanted that to apply to MOCA's Oversight Committee, made up of a number of people, including a retired judge of the Supreme Court and a minister of religion.
We are demonstrating to the public that the powers accorded to MOCA and its officers are not unfettered, and there will be consequences for breaches of the rights of the Jamaican people.
The MOCA bill also seeks to protect some whistleblowers. Section 38 says that if a person in good faith provides information requested by the agency, no civil or criminal action or other proceedings for breach of confidentiality or professional sanction may be taken against the person.
Clause 38 also affords protection for any officer of the agency from personal suit in respect of any lawful act done or omission made in good faith in the course of carrying out the provisions of this Act.
The House of Representatives will continue to debate the bill. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.